Okay, so in this video I'm going to attempt to install VMware Tools into my security onion. And in this instance, when we go over here to VM, you can see install VMware Tools is grayed out. And the reason for that is if we were to actually go in here and look at the settings, it's because I don't actually have an optical drive installed. So I'm going to add a CD DVD drive there. I'm going to use a physical drive just like that. Connected to power on E. So it may require me to restart. Let's check here. Nope, there we go. Install VMware Tools. We'll see if the disk loads up. Does it look like it's, there we go, there it is. Okay, so what we could do is here, I'm going to right click, we'll open. I'm going to go up one here. I'm going to say open terminal here. Actually, I don't even need to do that. I don't need to touch the line at all. This is what we want to extract. I'm going to double click on that. Sometimes it's nice to do everything in the GUI. I'll extract there. I'm going to extract it into my downloads folder. What you guys are hearing in the background is 4 kittens talking with their mom. She's teaching them right now how to be cats. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open a terminal here. I'm gonna list the files here. As you can see, we've got an executable right here, VMware install. So I'm gonna go ahead and execute that. And what's it say here? Oh, maybe I need to sudo do it. Manually eject the tools installed from the guest. We can do that. All right, so we've ejected that. Now let's go back in here. Let's run again, see what it says. Wants us to run it as a super user, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's come all the way over here. We'll do super user do. I'm actually going to say yes on this one. I'm going to accept all the defaults. The reason I did not accept the default with the -D on the initial command is because it wants us, that very first question was, the default was a no of continuing on. It's taking a while. Trying to get my commands to pop back up here so I can maybe pause. Okay, yes, I want to enable. Yes. some reason. All right. Wants us to log out, log back in, restart your X session. All right. So what we're actually going to do is we'll just restart. And when it starts back up, it should go into full screen. What else this does for you with the VMware Tools, not only are you able to do full screen, but you're also able to use shared folders as well, which I made a lot of use of with my external hard drive. And I can show you how to set that up too here, maybe on a use one of these other ones. So on the SIP workstation, for example, if I wanted to add in shared folders, I'd go to Edit Virtual Machine Settings, go over here to Options, and then on Share Folders, make sure it's always enabled. And there you go. Then you would add, you would just find the actual drive, whatever it is, or whichever folder you wanted to make available in between your host machine and as well as your virtual machine. And then you would add it, you click OK. See, I've already done that for this instance of Security Onion. If you go in here, you can see share folders have already been enabled, and that F drive happens to be my external hard drive. Okay, so this is coming back up. And there we go. We're in large screen here. In order to add the add the shared folders, you would have to actually power it off in the machine and make any changes. All right, that's installing VMware Tools within Security Onion.